Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can scan Viber QR code. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys. Now let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber and then all the way down you'll be having option which says more. Just go over there and then on your top right corner you'll be having options which is like a QR code. On your top right corner, now go over there and allow it, and then from here just place your camera to a QR code and then the QR code will be scanned. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you scan a QR code in Viber. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.